First, the top stories. No breakthrough in Indo-Naga talks so far. Naga Framework Agreement will not affect Manipur's interests, says Amit Shah. And Kokomi-led mass protest throws life out of gear. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tavam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The collective leadership of NSC and IM is still standing their ground and hence no breakthrough in the talks with the government of India so far, a reliable source said. It has been reported that it has become very crucial for the NSC and IM on their demands, and the centre is also taking very seriously on matter to have further discussion in the next round of talks. But a few hours from now, the fate of the Nagas will be known, the sources said. Earlier in the day, media reports said that the National Socialist Council of Nagaland, Isaac Muiva, is believed to have accepted the solution offered by Centre's interlocutor R.N. Ravi on its demand for a greater Nagalim, even as the stalemate over a separate flag and constitution continued. Two rounds of discussion held on Wednesday remain inconclusive, and both sides would meet for another round of talks on Thursday's official said. Sources said the draft agreement between the Naga national political groups, NNPGs, and Centre's interlocutor acknowledged equal rights and benefits for Nagas staying in Manipur, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh, but did not offer its integration with Nagaland. The map of Greater Nagalim of the NSC and IM website, comprising all Naga inhabited areas, shows 1,20,000 square kilometers across the northeast and Myanmar. This centre has refused to accede to NSC and IM's demand for a separate flag and constitution. An all-party Manipur delegation is expected to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah over the issue. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar is leading the 20-member delegation. Several organizations and political parties in Manipur are demanding an assurance that centre should protect the state's territorial integrity. On Wednesday, Kuki groups took out a rally in Churachandpur in Manipur seeking protection of their land. Meanwhile, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, who is now in Delhi, has conveyed to the people of Manipur that he, along with 5 other political leaders from Manipur, had a meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday, during which the Union Minister categorically assured that the Indo-Naga peace talks will not end without consulting the stakeholders of Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. And Biren added, Amit Shah had also given assurance that the final settlement of Naga Framework Agreement will not affect the interest of the state at all. Meanwhile, the 20-member delegation of all political parties from Manipur, now in the national capital, will return to the state tomorrow, official sources inform.
Manipur ki miyam da ay karigum wapung kradang ay thamjari madudi ngasi tarik 30 ga mathoi da sign tonagani na hairiba dugumba NSNI amadi Bharat Sarkar ani gi marakta tonariba port adu aikhoi ngarang all political party ki team ma laktana honorable minister ahum maruina ya maruina thabuk sibu matter sibu deal tawriba adugumba ikai kamel bagi masagwerba honorable Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji direct ekhoi delegation ekhoi manga ekhoi taruk na unare unabadu da ngarang gi ngasi ayuki phongba khabar dasu ngarang thengi bana phaw loina satraga su khara kaida de hajagrabani Honorable Union Minister Amit Shah ji na categorically karigumba huji makhal amatagi madugi waroshin porongna bagi wa stakeholders in Maroina Manipur gi Arunachal Pradesh ki amadi Assam gi sokani na chingnariba adugumba state singdugi wa tanadana moi stakeholders ingi wa khanadana karigumba thaba amata Tauroi Haidana Yamna categorically Ekoi the Hirakre.
Massive public alert agitations are underway in different parts of Manipur. Coordinating Committee on Manipuri Integrity, COCOMI, has launched a sustained agitation in Manipur, fearing that the proposed Indo-Naga peace deal could hurt the geographical boundary and integrity of Manipur. North AOC's Jomivilla, Nagaram and Chekon areas in Imphal city witnessed public alert agitation. A large number of cookies are taking part in the agitation. Cookies in Langol area of Imphal also joined the protest. Changangai residents also staged a sit-in protest in front of Imphal airport. It is worth mentioning that COCOMI has called on the people to cease all activities on today and take out to the streets. It may be noted that the 22-year-old peace parley between the Government of India and NSE and IM is likely to conclude today after inking a final peace deal. Meanwhile, women folk blocked the Rims Road in Imphal West. Uripok Poire Apunbalup staged a sit-in protest on Rims Road. Women protesters of Khurai, Kongpal, Sajorlekai, Tinsit Road also staged similar protest. A sit-in protest was also held at Chana of Imphal East in support of the COCOMI-led massive protest. No untoward incidents were reported. Meanwhile, COCOMI has extended the ongoing 20-hour mass protest till 6 p.m. tomorrow.
Tonga Manipur Prup Miam Pundana Tenagani Habagi, Achetpa Pirep, Lomina Bagi Asugum Lava, Achetpa Jackson Pirep, Lobagi, Asum Kongzang Asida, Saruk Yariba, Laminariba Purup Kuki Amadi, Lapunkuno Makalekagi, Miamna, Aquina, Nasiga Sulaba, Aroiba, Tanka, Asida, Kudimona, Manipur, Kai, Tugaiba, Yaro Haba, Achetpa Wakalunga, Luna, Nasi, Kongzang Sanction Bunny.
NSM IM the Indian government and the Marakta Sanaragli Santigi Warosin Ngasi Maglosan Harakpadagi Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomina Punkungi Sintalepaki Kongjang Loktokrabong Matung Ngasi Manipurgi Lairiba Kaitel Sing Manipurgi Lambi Tuang Manipurgi District State Forga Chakadava servicing Lepadanatana Mafum Kayadagi Kaitel Kanar Kadabai Mai Vincing Lepanamara Moraga Manipurgi economy the Chauna Kudung Tibamadi Pokhale Adumakpu Lauktokli Bakongjang Sigi Manungchana, Manipurgi Mafam Kaya, the family Bakongjang Lokana, Fongdoroki Matunina, Manipurda, Tokli Bawa Toksing, Furukioiba, Lairiba, Nuana Bakaya, Sigi Waroshin, Purakringaida, Nagagi Waroshin, Puraklabadi, Manipursi, Mafam Kangdaba, Tangdulaita, the Fim Mamata Lakani, Haiba from Kaya Fongdorli, cameraman Roliving Galona about them, Zeri by Yafu times of Manipur, Samumakong.
Kokomida. Say Prime Minister office tagi, natraga Home Minister office tagi, clearance ama officially, kogi the written nama laitri pawadi Manipur Miamna, peace talk chanariba asida chinganingai over Portnina, koi section lebagi matautai, aduna amuksumuk, Manipur the last one of Tamjini say, came to Toro Hagan Education Institution Punamakta, Tamjaliba Parliamentary Post Mam Jingja, must until a heck lock talk triboti, a quigi Lariba Chatariba. Kongjang paring siyodum hanbalitana sathagi ne haiba se miyam punamukta amukana appeal tawjari.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and Forest and Environment Minister T.A. Shyam Kumar have extended their greetings on the joyous occasion of Chabangkut Festival 2019. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, 2 Falcon birds fitted with satellite transmitters released from Tamenglong.
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442-885. Or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com.
Welcome back after the break. 2 Falcon birds fitted with satellite transmitters were released today from Puching village in Tamenglong district. As per reports, the 2 female birds named as Irang and Puching, weighing about 155 gram and 195 gram respectively, were released by the chairman of the village in presence of the villagers. These satellite transmitters were tagged by Dr. Suresh Kumar and his team from Wildlife Institute of India. 3 more birds will be tagged in this season. The report said, on the other hand, one small falcon which was not suitable for tagging satellite transmitters was freed. In Churachandpur district, thousands of people took out a rally demanding early solution to the political problem of the cookies. The demonstration was organized by Cookie NP Churachandpur and its federates. The rally kicked off from Peace Ground, Tuibong, and ended at the DC office complex, Churachandpur, where a memorandum was submitted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through the Deputy Commissioner of the district, Pawan Yadav, by the demonstrators.
Try to live in peace and also promote brotherhood and also live in harmony. And further, I also request you, as a law-abiding citizen, let's try to follow the law of the land. And also one more request is, let's not try to spread any rumor in this particular juncture of time.
The Manipur government today observed the Rashtriya Ekta Divas or Unity Day today at the parade ground of 1st Manipur Rifles, Imphal. The event was held to mark the 144th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is also known as the Iron Man of India.
Arrival contingent, 9th Indian Reserve,
unity, integrity, man, promotion maintain
With the rest of the country, Manipur marked the 144th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel. Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India organized the National Unity Day 2019 at Kumalampak Sports Complex, Imphal. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Ledpa Hokep, President of Manipur Olympic Association T.S. Bishorjit, Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan, Education Minister Radheshyam and Chief Secretary of Manipur Dr. Suresh Babu shared the days on the occasion. Ledpa Hokep flagged off the Run for Unity, which marks the 144th birth anniversary of Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India. Speaking at the event, Minister Hokep said that today's generation must not forget the sacrifices and contributions made by Sardar Patel, who is credited for merging 560 princely states into India. He mentioned that Sardar Patel was given the name of Iron Man of India for his works.
I dedicate function amani na sompang thok panate akhoi gi wakan lon akhoi gi thamoi nongda akhoi punsan dabaya de nungsina na chana na lemin dabaya de haibagi wakan lon do especially hairi gumna hogala kadaba na haron maya masina noi gi wakan se achumba lambi positive thinking asom da pusalakanda apunba leibak Manipur apunba India amasagat pada mateng oigani.
All Lambulel Committee under the aegis of Cookie NP Imphal also staged a sit-in protest near GP Women's College regarding the Naga Peace Accord. Speaking to media, one of the members of All Lambulen, M. Athang, said that the government of India is trying to fulfill the wishes of Naga people rather than listening to the grievances of the people of Manipur as a whole. He added that there have been instances wherein a number of Cookie people were mercilessly killed by NSC and IM, apart from tossing over 300 Cookie villages, but the centre has refused to take any action in this regard, he reviewed.
NSN IM Singna Cookie Micham Singbu Karimata Khang da Banupi Anga Ahalaman Mayambo Mili Silmahin Matwai Mangan Atu Kutulaga Adugi Matanga Cookie Hun Sahum Lomsi Mai Tadu Laga Udhonga Olhan Karaban Adugi Matakta Hunza Milak Amarum say, refugee Udunari say, Nasi Pausi, government na, central government Oshinu, state government Oshinu, Karima Tamasigi Matakta, Kramhai Toga Bisu, Amukta Sohan Yin Vida Visita, Kuki community khoi me am se masigi khan bada yam na thawai sokna ngasi si akhoi praja mayam gi damakta committee khoi mayam na Kuki in pi imphal gi order gi matung na mafom sida sit and protest khoi to yabani.
Women folk of Laifam Kuno Makhalekai also held an alert meeting near Laifam Kuno under the aegis of Kokomi and Imphal Valley Cookies. One of the members of Working Women Union, Ting Neichong Lufeng, said that before a conclusion to the Naga issue, the government of India must first deliver justice to the Kuki community. She condemned the Naga peace talks, saying that the government of India has neglected all other issues. She demanded that the peace talks must not be allowed to harm the unity of the state.
I am seeing na Kuki sing miyam hardly more than 1,000 people, hardly innocent peoples, and then 350 hin kun manghalli aduga more than 1 lakh people displaced oi asigum basisu. They need to solve this problem. Asi peaceful solution later ngai sida asi miyam problem miyam sisu solve to na ba ning sing zari.
Residents of Changangai staged a sit-in protest near Bir Tiken Resident International Airport, Imphal, in support of the Kokomi-led protest vis-a-vis the Naga peace talks.
Manipur da chahi lisang sina chahi lising ani puari leiba Manipur da leibi leiba tongan tongan furup mayam sing ase masi nungsi chanana leimina gadamni aduga mayam sing si kaina ba yaroi sigi chanda loan chani bi mayam sing ngak tanai khoi amatoi ba Manipur imagi metai lema imagi masa amatenena khanbei wa kolon da khoi pun gadamni khoi kaina ba yaroi eni masi kaina na ba bharat sakana silab jo adugi mayokta Manipur da leiriba metai lebak ta leiriba furup mayam sing sina khoi ima amategi masani haiba wa kolon chida kaibai ro he masi As a part
of Kokomi-led statewide agitation, alert meetings and sit-ins were held by Nambol Apunbanipilub, shop owners and representatives of different pressure groups at Nambol Bazaar today. Talking to media on the sidelines of the protest, Secretary of Nambol Apunbanipilub L. Premila opined that the peace talks must not affect an inch of Manipur's boundary.
Karigumba Naga peace talk asida Manipur government amadi India government yare haiduna argument het yana besi edo thadok hiba matamda aikoi gi lamma set amata sokpa yaro haiduna ngasi aikoi mifam ase Manipur pammagi oina mairari li saptuna amadi wakar mifam phamdana aikoi sauthok pamaga loinana lamma set amata insi ama bok sokpa yaro haiduna ngasi aikoi mifam ase phamli bani.
Normal life was affected at Nambol, Oinam, Bisnupur, Ningthaukhong, Moirang, Kumbi, where markets and shops remained shut and passenger vehicles were stayed off the road. Supporters of Kokomi staged an alert rally at Nambol Ketil along Tidim Road. Markets and shops at Kwakta, Bisnupur, Ningthaukhong and Moirang district remained closed. Reports also said protesters blocked Tidim Road at Kwaketil Bazaar. Kokomi-led agitation also affected normal life in Jiribam district. Talking to media, Coordinating Committee of Jiribam on Manipur Integrity and Dhamen Rameti said that the Kokzomi along with the residents of Jiribam is supporting the Kokomi agitation.
Nagashrojina Hiram Amatada Manipur Manipur Lamkaida Manipur gi Sarukai Bagai Yagadaba Toxil Amata Lengak Pairiba BJP Sarkanasu Tauroi Davani Manipur gi Lairiba Manipur the Langtana Ribajikanga Manipur Miam Sigi Yapanama Kidama Kalaga Manipuri Tukainaba Kaiduginasu Indiana Siloi Davadi.
Kokomi has called for a 20-hour statewide stay away from work beginning early this morning to stage massive protests. Normal commercial activities in border town More was also affected by the Kokomi agitation. There was no vehicular movement along Imphal-More highway and commercial establishments remain half open in the More town. At the same time, Namphal market in Myanmar wore a deserted look. President of AMSU Technopol Unit and Mairaba expressed his viewpoint about the situation to the media.
Naga framework agreement gi matang da ngasi akoina Sintha lepa haina kokomi na ngasi lokthoppi gi baga loina na ngasi mori da laiba MCM amade M2 na support to baga loina na mori da laiba parja miam dukan pamiba ima ibin amadi ahalaman khai punamang na support to bira baga loina na ngasi mori da su Sintha lepki.
Similar protests were witnessed at Laitan Pokpi of Khundrapum constituency, Khurai Dingku Road, Taubul of Bisnupur district, Urembam Awang Laikai of Imphal East, Pasoi, Langol, Chingmairong, Khurai Lamlong, Khurai Sarjor Laikai, Tinsit Road, Rims Road, Moirang, Oksubam Laikai, Langol Game Village, Wangkai Puza Lampak, Andro Parking, Minuthong, Singjamai Chingamaka, Brahmapur Bhagapati Laikai, Brahmapur Aribam Laikai, Waiton, Wangkai Kaithela Sangbe, Palace Compound, Singjamai Mathak Thoksom Laikai and Uchiwa Lairak Achoba. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Ningol Singi Akanaba Kumai Ningol Chako Buna Lakpada, Tamabati Emporium na, October Kuntra Fawa Chada Kuntra discount Pizabi. Akak Naba Matam Kaktamak Pizaba discount name. Ningol Singi Makal Kayagi Fige, Wankai fee, Rani fee, blouse, tops fee, Fanik Nachingba Makal Suna from Biragani. Ngasi Maglengsen Biraksi, Tamabati Emporium, Gari Makalaikai near Pakang Ford. Contact number 7085-186-485 Natraga 7005-946-596.
Welcome back. The Congress has decided to hold nationwide protests from November 5th to 15th against the Narendra Modi government policies with special focus on economic crisis, unemployment, farm distress and the adverse impact of the proposed RCEP agreement. Congress General Secretary Organization KC Venugopal said in a statement that the protests against the BJP government's misrule will be carried out at all state capitals and district headquarters as per media reports. At least 16 people were killed and 13 others suffered injuries as fire engulfed an express train in Likatpur near Rahim Yar Khan on Thursday morning. The incident took place in the wee hours when 3 coaches of Karachi Rawalpindi Tesgam express train caught fire, media reports said. The train was en route Lahore from Karachi. The injured are being shifted to nearby hospitals. Rescue operations are underway. India loses one state, gets 2 more union territories. With the official bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir on Thursday, India lost a state but gained 2 new union territories in the form of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh close to 3 months after the centre took the historic step of bifurcation along with abrogation of Articles 370 and 335A. From midnight on Thursday, India is having 28 states and 9 union territories. From now on, Jammu and Kashmir will cease to have a separate flag and its own constitution. The 2 union territories will be having its Lieutenant Governors Radha Krishna Mathur sworn in as the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, while Girish Chandra Murmu is set to assume the same post in Jammu and Kashmir. However, unlike Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir will have an assembly. Spearheaded by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the historic decision of abrogation of Articles 370 and 35A by the Narendra Modi government was taken on August 5th, slightly more than 2 months after returning to power with a thumping majority. In protest against the inaction of the state government on its demands on the setting up of a staff selection board SSB for the state, the Naga Students Federation NSF today staged first phase of democratic agitation. NSF, through a press communique, informed that the agitation began today with overwhelming response from the students community and the general public of the state. Students of various schools, colleges and universities wore black and badge along with the uniform of their respective institution in response to the call of the federation to register their resentment against the state government to respond positively to their aspiration for promoting meritocracy in the state, stated NSF Vice President Devi Yano and General Secretary Liremo R. Kikon. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, six-time world champion MC Mary Kom has been included in a 10-strong athlete ambassadors group to represent boxers in the build-up to next year's Tokyo Olympic Games by the International Olympic Committee IOC task force for the sport. The recent feat had added another feather in the cap to the iconic pugilist's innumerable achievements. Mary Kom will represent the Asian bloc in the group, which also comprises the likes of Ukrainian legend Vasyl Lomachenko, a two-time Olympic and world gold medalist who now plies his trade in the professional circuit, and five-time world champion and 2016 Olympic gold winner Julio Cesar La Cruz of America, among others. The 36-year-old Indian recently surpassed herself as the most successful boxer in the history of the World Championships when she claimed her 8th medal, a bronze, at the marquee event's latest edition in Russia. She is also an Olympic bronze medalist in the 51 kg category, besides being a five-time Asian champion and a Commonwealth and Asian Games gold medalist. Real Madrid defeated Leganés in the Spanish league. In a match that played yesterday at Barcelona, Real Madrid defeated the Leganés in an easy 5-0, moving Madrid into second place after stumbles by other teams, as per reports. French striker Karim Benzema has Real Madrid right on the tail of Barcelona at the top of the Spanish league. Madrid climbed to within 1 point of defending champion Barcelona. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. No breakthrough in Indo-Naga talks so far. Naga Framework Agreement will not affect Manipur's interests, says Amit Shah. And Kokomi-led mass protest throws life out of gear. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.